everyone, it's me again, Mary Valentine Dodula, and for today's video, I will be demonstrating the front and back bodice pattern. So, without further ado, let's start. Before we proceed, let me present first the objectives. At the end of the video, we are expected to identify the different tools in drafting the front and back bodice pattern, value the importance of knowing how to draft the front and back bodice pattern, and demonstrate the steps in drafting the front and back bodice pattern. For the tools needed, we have here a ball pen, tape measure, a ruler, a pencil, and a manila paper for the pattern. In your pattern paper, draw a perpendicular line and mark the corner A, our starting point. To locate point D, measure 3 inches downward for the neck depth. For point C, measure 5 1/2 from the A downwards for the chest height. From A to D is the 1/2 of the armhole. In my case, 14 is the size of the armhole. Divide by 2, which is 7. To locate letter E, use the figure length. In my case, figure length is 16. You can now project B, C, D, and E to the right using a ruler. To locate point F, from A to the right, measure 2 1/2 inches for the neck width. Connect F to B using a French curve. But since I don't have a French curve, I will just use this flexible ruler to create a curved line to shape the neckline. A to G, measure half of the shoulder measurement. For example, the shoulder is 14, measure 7 inches. From the G downwards, measure 1 inches to locate point H. Connect point G and H with a straight line. And also connect F to H. To locate the point I, from C, measure half of the chest measurement. In my case, 13 is the chest measurement, that's why I'll measure 6 1/2 inches. Connect H to I with a diagonal line. From D to the right, use 1/4 of the bust measurement. Mine is 33, so I'll measure 8.5 inches plus 1 inch. This will be the point J. Now shape the armhole from J to I. From the point E, measure the 1/4 of the waist measurement. In my case, 26 is the waistline, so I will measure 7 and 3/4 inches, and I will add 1 inch for the dart. This will be the point K. Connect J to K with a diagonal line. From letter F downward, measure the bust height. In mine, it is 7. And this will serve as the point L. Now we are going to make the dart. To locate the point M, measure 1/2 bust distance and then measure 3.4 inches for the N and the O. From L, connect M, N, and O. Fold the point O overlapping the point N, and then connect E and K. And we are done with our front bodice pattern. To start, draw a perpendicular line and mark it as point A. What I am doing here is I am recreating the front bodice pattern so that I will have a basis for the measurements of the back bodice pattern. From point A downward, measure 1 inch to locate point 1. To get the back shoulder, raise 1/2 inch from the point H to get point 2, and then connect F to point 2 with a diagonal line. Connect the F to point 1 to shape the back neckline. But since I don't have a French curve, I am using this once again, this flexible roller. Get the back armhole, measure 1/2 inch from the point I going right to locate the point 3. Now to get point to shape the armhole, starting from point 2, passing point 3, going to the point 4 using a French curve. But since I don't have a French curve, I will just be using this ruler again. To locate the point 5 on the point 2, reduce 4.5 inch and then connect point 4 to point 5. Start to point L upward, measure 1 inch to get point 6. Connect point 6 to point M with a straight line, and then point 6 to 7, and then point 6 to 8. Fold the dart by connecting point 8 going to point 7. Draw a straight line using ruler from point 5 going to point E. We are done with the black bodice pattern. That's all for today, guys. Thank you and God bless you all.